Slime is fun to play with, but not when it sticks to your clothes and dries up. The good news is that you do not need expensive cleaners to fix the mess. With simple home tricks, you can make your clothes look new again. Distilled white vinegar helps break down sticky substances like slime, making stains easier to remove from fabric. It is a natural, safe, and inexpensive cleaning solution for tackling tough marks without damaging clothes. The first and most important step is to let the slime dry completely. Trying to wipe wet slime usually spreads it further into the fabric. Once it is fully dry, gently scrape off as much slime as possible using a spoon, butter knife, or even your fingernail. Be careful not to damage the cloth while scraping. This step removes the thick layer and makes the cleaning process easier. Take some distilled white vinegar and apply it generously to the top of the dried slime stain, using as much as the fabric can absorb. Then gently rub the area with your hands to help the vinegar soak in. After that, apply a little more white vinegar to the treated spot. Next, take a scraper or a butter knife and carefully scrape the slime off the fabric. If needed, apply more vinegar while scraping, as vinegar helps loosen and dissolve the sticky slime. Leave the vinegar on the stain for a few minutes so it can work properly and break down the residue. Then open the hot water tap and rinse the treated area under running water, gently rubbing the cloth while rinsing. After this, you will see that most of the slime has been removed. Finally, take a sponge, apply a small amount of dish soap to it, and gently scrub the fabric until all the remaining slime is completely gone. Rinse again with hot water to wash away any soap. By using this simple household method, you can effectively remove dried slime from clothes easily and safely. A laundry stain remover is a helpful product for treating tough marks like slime, food, and dirt on clothes. It works by breaking down stains so they can be washed away more easily. You simply spray or apply it to the stained area before washing. When used properly, it helps keep clothes clean and looking fresh. A fabric stain remover is specially designed to remove tough stains like slime, grease, and food from clothing. It works by penetrating the fibers and loosening the stain for easier washing. Most stain removers are safe for everyday fabrics when used as directed. They help keep clothes looking clean, bright, and fresh. By following these simple steps and using common household products, or a fabric stain remover, you can easily get rid of dried slime from clothes.